I'm Amna, and I'm going to tell you today the pivotal role of social media marketing in 2024's e-commerce landscape. The digital era has transformed the way businesses approach their marketing strategies. A significant driver of this transformation is social media marketing. In 2024, its importance, especially in the e-commerce, has become more pronounced than ever. Let's delve into the key factors that make social media marketing indispensable for the e-commerce businesses. Number one is the expansive audience reach. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram boast billions of active users worldwide. This vast reach offers the e-commerce businesses unparalleled access to a diverse and an extensive audience, setting the stage for the global market penetration. Then the power of targeted or advertising. E-commerce businesses thrive when they can reach the right customer at a right time. With the advanced targeting based on the demographics, behaviors, and interests, social media platforms ensure that the ROI on the marketing efforts is maximized, leading to the better conversion rates. Elevating the brand visibility through the content sharing. It's not just about being present on the social media, it's about the consistency. By sharing high quality content like the blog posts, videos, and infographics, e-commerce brands can stay top of the mind for potential customers. Deepening customer engagement. Direct interaction with the customers has become a game changer. E-commerce businesses that respond promptly to inquiries, share the valuable content, and engage actively with their audience foster the trust and loyalty, translating to repeated sales. Harnessing the power of influencer marketing. Collaboration with both macro influencers known for their wide reach and micro influencers who boast a more engaged and a niche audience can significantly boost the product visibility and the credibility in the e-commerce space. Seamless e-commerce integration. The direct shopping features integrated into many social media platforms make the buying process more seamless. Customers can make purchases without leaving their favorite social media apps, enhancing the convenience factor and increasing the likelihood of the impulse purchases. Leveraging the trends and the viral content. Social media is the birthplace of many global trends. E-commerce businesses that authentically engage with these trends while staying true to their brand's voice can witness these surges in the brand awareness and sales. Data-driven decision-making with the analytics. E-commerce operations are enhanced when businesses have insights into their marketing performance. Social media data analytics offers a window into a customer's behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns, allowing the brands to refine their strategies effectively. A competitive edge in the market. By 2024, an e-commerce business without a robust social media strategy risks being overshadowed by the competitors who have mastered the art of digital engagement. In conclusion, as the e-commerce landscapes in 2024 continues to evolve, so does the role of social media marketing. It's no longer just an optional marketing tool, but an essential one, driving the sales, fostering their loyalty, and ensuring that the businesses remain at the forefront of their industry. Thank you very much.